On to the next fan. This is a Westinghouse Contractor's Choice. This fan is on a very interesting switch. This actually does the fan, this one does the light. Once again, not much to say about it. It's the light. It's a little glaring, I suppose. Before I forget, I'll go ahead and flip it to forward so you guys can see it in the forward position. And we'll go ahead and demonstrate it now. Put the light on a little bit. And we'll start off on low. Let's put it on high first. Let it get up to speed. Okay, here's low. I can feel just a slight breeze from it. Definitely a step up from the Littleton. Not like the greatest fan, but it's a step up. Oh, in case if you're wondering, here's the Westinghouse tag. Right there. Okay. Alright. Put it to speed 2. Wonder how this would look without the light. Probably looks better. Actually, you know what? Just in case if I forget. Turn it off like that. And I guess I'll go ahead and put it on high now. Yeah, this one wobbles a little bit. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's definitely worse in person, but it's not like out of control. It's just sort of like circling. But you can definitely feel a breeze from it, so that's definitely good. Does its job. And we'll go ahead and put it on light. This on. And there is the Westinghouse Contractor's Choice. Thank you for watching.